Brown New Tone has performance-matched ventilation solutions for every kitchen style, like the Brown PM300 SS Power Pack insert, ideal for custom range hood applications. The Easy One installation system enables fast, one-person installation. Optional stainless steel liners offer protection for the custom hood. Long-lasting, heat-resistant LED lights brighten your cooking experience. Ventilation is made simple with a 2-speed rocker switch. The stainless steel surface is not only beautiful, it's easy to clean. And the filters are dishwasher safe. Custom appearance, hidden solution, the Brown PM300 SS Power Pack insert.